Hi everyone, the Tesla Cybertruck was introduced as a futuristic, indestructible electric pickup, the future of trucks. Stainless steel exoskeleton, amazing strength, unrivaled durability, and cutting-edge electric performance. But today, we're peeling back the slick marketing and looking at the growing evidence that the Cybertruck may be built on shaky engineering, safety compromises, and financial miscalculations. In this video, the tech fallacies, the recalls, and why this truck of tomorrow might turn into a financial disaster. When launched, the Cybertruck promised radical design features: an ultra-hard stainless steel exoskeleton, unibody strength, a pickup's utility with EV advantages. But reviews and engineering assessments reveal this design comes with trade-offs. Despite the stainless steel shell, early production models reportedly fell short of Tesla's own rigidity targets. As one leaked report noted, the production Cybertruck was more than 32% less stiff than intended, degrading torsional rigidity, a key metric for structural integrity, especially for a truck built for heavy-duty use. That directly challenges the idea that this is a heavy-duty, high-durability pickup. If you can't guarantee rigidity, towing, hauling, and off-road use become far less reliable. Beyond stiffness problems, there have been widespread complaints about inconsistent build quality. Some owners report trim pieces, roofline panels, exterior cant rails, loosening or detaching, especially under stress or speed. In addition, the unconventional shape and stainless steel body have created unexpected complications. Sealing for weather, noise, and cabin integrity has reportedly been difficult. In early builds, engineers flagged multiple noise leak points and challenges sealing the body to acceptable tolerance, a major shortcoming for a vehicle that may be used in varied environments. Combined with poor suspension tuning and structural shake during maneuvers, lateral jerk, mid-speed abruptness, these characteristics raise serious doubts about the Cybertruck's viability as a robust everyday or work vehicle. Safety is another major concern. The Cybertruck, despite being marketed as rugged, lacks independent crash testing by leading safety institutions. The self-certified tests by Tesla alone don't carry the same transparency or trust as third-party evaluations from organizations such as standard safety regulators. Real-world reports also show recalls and defects troubling enough to undermine early buyer confidence. Throttle pedal problems, failures in trim attachments, exterior panels detaching, in some cases while driving. Charging and battery issues have surfaced too. Inconsistent charging speeds, potential range reductions, especially under heavier loads or frequent rapid charging, which negates some of the EV efficiency benefits that originally sold the truck to early adopters. The combination of heavy body, structural compromises, and mounting safety quality problems suggests that the Cybertruck may fall short of both promotional promises and baseline expectations for a modern pickup. The mounting recalls and production issues pose financial risks not just to buyers, but to the company behind the Cybertruck. Each recall, repair, or retrofit under warranty reduces margin, while reputational damage undermines demand. Given how heavily the Cybertruck's marketing hinged on innovation and toughness, negative real-world feedback undermines its brand positioning. It becomes hard to justify a premium price tag when structural integrity, safety, and reliability are in doubt. For consumers, that means potential depreciation, hidden maintenance burdens, and uncertainty over long-term value. For Tesla, that means a risky bet on a headline-grabbing product that, unless fixed, could become a liability rather than a flagship. The Cybertruck promised to be the future of pickups: tough, futuristic, electric. But beneath the flashy stainless steel shell and marketing hype lies a growing record of structural issues, safety concerns, electrical, EV-specific problems, and financial risk. For prospective buyers, consider whether the cool factor is worth the gamble. For Tesla and the EV industry, this case is a cautionary tale. Innovation must be matched with rigorous testing, quality control, and real-world durability, not just PR-friendly design. If you're evaluating electric trucks or picking your next vehicle, dig beyond the marketing. Demand data, independent testing, real-world reliability. Because innovation shouldn't be an excuse for compromised safety or wasted investment. Thanks for watching. If you think the Cybertruck has a future or is doomed, leave a comment below.